Hello world! Good morning! I'll show you today my small art room in the house. This is an empty room that I converted into a small art shop that I can work on in my own time. This is the Mayon Volcano, Philippines signage that I prepared to bring to Fort Payne, to the boom maker art gallery. They are located at Fort Payne. Some of my pictures come from Miss Guada in the Philippines, and I painted them there. And that one is on the side from the seaside. This is from the town, and this is on the other side of Mayon Volcano. I'll show you my other paintings, and they are on the floor. This is just a hobby for me. It's not really something grand. Some I like, some are just playful, some I don't like very much, and some are still empty, and some are just playful, creations. And some I like the colors, some I like, and some I like very much, and some still empty. These are my tools here. And here, in my workplace here, I'm using my bed as my table. Convert it, just put a plastic on top of it. Now all my other tools are on the floor, like that. My water. And I'll show you another. Well, it is sunny outside. I'll show you two more paintings. This one, I know somebody liked this, so I signed it. Somebody liked that painting. And this one is a piece that I so love very much. I don't want to dispose of it, but I had it already displayed on Etsy, and it's also available in prints, but this time I'm bringing it to the gallery to be displayed there. So again, I'd like to show you, this is the Mayon Volcano in the Philippines, and please wish me all the best for today, and you too, please seize your day, enjoy your day, and have a lot of fun. I'll see you. Love you all. Bye.